The first would be that family-centered care is very important, and it should be considered in our policies and guidelines to promote person-centered care, using the principles that we discussed. The second message would be that in order to enact family-centered care, we have to review first our current practice, our current behavior, our culture, intensive care culture, how we behave, and then build on that by identifying strategies that we think would best work in our intensive care settings in order to inform our policy and guidelines. And the third message that I would say is to choose our measures. In future research in family-centered care, we need to choose our measures to make sure that we measure what is meaningful to enact family-centered care and demonstrate effect. In the review that I presented, the choice of measures was not in many of the studies appropriate, so that's why they didn't show any significant effects. So I think choosing your measures is quite important.